Hi, I'm back with another use case, a very interesting use case where you need to, uh, connect with your AWS Cloudfront, and with Cloudfront you need to connect with Hostinger. So, for example, if you already have a website on Hostinger and you plan to create a new subdomain and your services are in CloudFront. So what you need to do, if I'll show you my screen, if I show you my screen, here it is. So there's a CloudFront, there's a different distributions. And if you see here, the domain that I'm connecting is this is a CloudFront domain, and this is my service. And my origin is I'm connecting from CloudFront to S3 bucket, just to to get a flavor of HTTPS accessibility to my S3 bucket. So to get an HTTPS accessibility from S3 bucket, you need to create a CloudFront, and CloudFront provide you a default HTTPS. But uh, so this domain is not human readable domain; it's automated domain. So what you need to do is, for example, if you want to access this domain via your subdomain. So there are a few steps that you need to do. So let me explain you those steps. First of all, you need to go to Hostinger hpanel or cpanel. In that, you need to choose your domain and go to DNS zone editor. Let me explain you. If you see here, you have in advance, you need to choose your website. In advance, you go to DNS zone editor. Okay, you will be landed onto this page, and here you just need to create one more DNS record, which is cname and for example xy abc abc, which is just subdomain name, and will automatically add along with .xyz.com, which is your domain name. Okay, and target is your CloudFront URL, for example, this, and you add a record. Okay, so I'm not going to add a record here. I will show you what I have written. And so here you can see I've created the CNAME with REST app, and this is my CloudFront URL, and this is, yeah, done. Now only this much is to be done on your cPanel or hPanel, and now you will move on to your CloudFront. So let me go to the distribution. I'll go to CloudFront. I'll go to my distribution. So this is the domain name that I need to access from the subdomain. This is the ID. I'll click on the distribution. Here, if you see, if you are not connected, you will see that alternate domain name is blank. So this section will be blank. So you need to add alternate domain here. So what you need to do is edit. Let it be use all edge locations. Just put your alternate domain names. The challenge here is the certificate. In my previous video, I have explained you how to create a certificate, how to validate a certificate. So once you are done with that step, if you want to go do it directly, you can go to this page, request certificate, and once your certificate is available, you will see there's a certificate over here. Just choose the certificate and just perform the save changes. I'm going to cancel it because I'm already there, and alternate domain is already here. So, and now you will be able to test your any subdomain link. So you can test using HTTPS REST app manipulate. So this is something which is accessible. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my video, give me a like or comments. Your feedbacks are really appreciated. Thank you. पुराना आया कि नहीं? लीव मीटिंग कर, लीव मीटिंग तो हो गया ना।